I'm excited to show you how to explore Worldbook Student. When you log in, this is the home screen. The search bar is right across the middle. This is where you'll type what you want to research or what your teacher has asked you to research. If you are unsure how to spell what you need to research, you can click on the microphone, say what you want to research, and it will type it in for you. There's always a featured topic you can explore, or clicking on the arrow on the left or the arrow on the right allows you to explore other featured topics. Scrolling down the screen, you can browse by subject or look through the maps and atlases. There's also a current events section or a biography section. Today, I know what we want to research, so I'm going to type in volcanoes and click enter. All my results are right here on the left. As you can see, there are sounds of volcanoes erupting, maps of where maybe volcanoes will be, images of volcanoes, and also videos and animations. I'd like to learn more information, so I'm going to look through the articles. I'm going to scroll through the list to find one that just says volcanoes to learn more information. Here's one, so I'll click on Read More. Once I'm inside the article, I can click on the ear to have the article read to me. As I'm listening or reading on my own, if I come across a word I'm unsure of the meaning, I can double click the word and the meaning appears. After I read it, I can click on the X and go back to the article. On the left are all the topics in this article. If I just want to find where volcanoes form, I can click on that and it'll take me to that part of the article. To go back to the top, I just click on Introduction. Back up here at the top, there's also a gear. When you click on that, the option to save the article to PDF or Google Drive is there. You can share it for email or Google Classroom. You can print, or if your teacher would like you to cite the article, you can click on that. The three options appear. You can highlight the one that you need as in your bibliography and copy and paste it to your work. Clicking on the X takes you back to your article. To go back to the home screen to explore again, you can click on Worldbook Student and you'll go back to the home screen. I hope you enjoy exploring this. Have a great day.